Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a percentage counter in After Effects. So the first thing you want to do is create a new composition. So go up to the top bar, composition, new composition, and then let's give it a name. So we'll call it counter. Keep it at 1080, 25 frames a second, and we'll make it 5 seconds long. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is bring in an image. So let's go to File, Import File. Let's bring in an image. Drag and drop it onto the screen, and then we'll lock it just so we don't move it. Okay, the next thing you want to do is create a text layer for the numbers. So in the top bar, let's click on T. Click on the screen and type in a number. There you go. So the next thing we want to do is we want to add an expression to the text layer. So click on the down arrow to open up the text. Click on it again, and there you'll see a stopwatch and some wording that says source text. So holding down on the keyboard, click Alt and keep it hold down. Click on the stopwatch, and then it will open up the expressions window, which is where you can type your code in. So there's quite a lot to type in here, so I'm going to copy and paste this into the description box. However, let's just go through it now. So we're going to go begin count equals 0, because we're going to start off at 0, and we're going to stop count at 100. So you can go from 10 to 70 if you want to, but we're going to go from 0 to 100. So let's type in begin time equals 0. So we're going to start counting at time equals 0, and the count duration equals 5 seconds. So count for 5 seconds. So this is the tricky bit. So we can do a bit of maths here. So we're going to go plus Math.round linear time beginTime plus count duration beginCount stop count, and close that. And now we want to add in the percentage. You don't have to put this in if you don't want to, but we're just going to go to plus and then type in percentage. So now if you scroll through the timeline, you'll see that it goes from 0 to 100. So next thing we want to do is go to composition, add to render queue, and render it out. And there you go. That's how you use expressions to create a percentage counter.